but the guest we've all been waiting for, Erik Vegeto. He's here. We just had an amazing podcast with him, and now he's here to bless us with some of his original tunes, singer-songwriter, amazing guitarist. I will let him speak and sing for himself. Take it away, Erik.
My dreams are about you, and all of my life's in clear view. I get headstrong and I need to play my rock and roll. It's been so long and the weariness takes its toll. It takes 1 year till the medicine takes control. Living blind years and it's messing my life is about you, and all of the rain makes a clear view. Whoa!
Hey. Oh my god. Gosh, I just had chills. Woo.
That song's called Stop, Drop, and Roll. So I wanted to pick out some songs with kind of themes of color.
Ooh, you thought about. Oh.
I love it.
So happy to be on the
Yeah.
Unplugged.
Oh, we are so happy to have you. Yay.
So this one's kind of a spring song, and spring is very colorful.
And really was very spring.
Yeah, definitely spring.
Yeah, very.
You're good. Ooh. Ready? Oh, that song was called Dancing in the Sun Rain. It's a very special event when it's both raining and the sun is out, right? Isn't that special?
Yeah.
So, yeah. If you can find someone to dance in the sun rain with, it's even more special.
Yeah, oh my gosh. Yeah.
It's a desert out here. I should've left a long time ago. I don't wanna shrivel up and die. Oh my Lord, it's in the rain. 'Cause I'm dying out here on the plain. And I'm crying out here on the plain. And I'm trying not to be afraid. I place my silver dollar, never to be seen again. If you would take my hand, I'll lead you from this place, never to be seen again.
Wow. Man, no, that was crazy good.
Thank you.
Like the voice is like, it felt like I'm in a movie or something.
No,
It's called
I
Silver
feel
Dollar.
like I have like access to like this private concert. But wow, man, wow.
Thanks for having me.
No, this has been great. I know I said 3, but did you have an encore piece and then? Or
Yeah.
no, wait, you have to go. Just
No.
kidding.
I can.
Just one more, and then that's it. But you'll have to come back, oh my gosh. And then we'll like promote it so that we won't be able to hold enough people. We'll have to like go to the Academy of Music and just storm it down.
We can serve watermelon juice.
Oh, I love this. Why did you just say that particular?
It was a random thing.
Oh, I
like it. I like it.
I'm so down. It's gonna happen. All right, so this is your encore piece because I begged. It's my, because of me, y'all get one more, an encore piece from Erik Vegeto. I said it.
That's right.
Vegeto.
Yes.
And you have to do this. Vegeto.
Vegeto. Oh, I love it. Never forget. Take it away whenever you're ready.
Try to get you out, bed knock on the door inside your head. Can you hear me? Please come near me. I try to raise you from the dead and fill your heart with joy instead. Can you hear me? Please don't fear me. We're living in a house by the ocean. Closes her eyes to show no emotion. Lifting up beyond the clouds to show you that I live without the ghost town. I'm not boasting. I'm holding up your purple hair to show you I never lost you there. Can you see me? Dreaming near me. Once in a lifetime you can bear. Once in the morning you are scared. Feeling unbelievable as you arrive inside my soul. When you get high, I rock and roll. Break the sheets, lose control. She's dancing to the music and she's barefoot in the garden now. It's amazing how she touches. Just gave up, she's not Jesus. There's always a way to get by. There's always a way to get high. Filling up your coffee, groggy, cause you just got up to want me to cook you something. I'm sorry that I got up late, I was dreaming something. I don't hate to love me, cause I like to love you.
Oh. What is there to say? Erik Vegeto. All of the applause, all of the applause.
Thank you so much.
Seriously, thank you so much.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, this was like an experience, you know.
Thank you.
Yes, I was just
really
gonna
good.
write you a second.
Not good.
Choose 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 a second.
Not good.